I was on fixed income, and I know the rules was gonna change for Social Security, which I'm on, and so I decided to lift myself out of poverty by getting educated. So I decided to come to Laney, and I wanted to be a chef. I always was in the kitchen with my mom so I could get the bowl of the icing cake so I could lick the bowl. So food has always been in my blood, I just never had the education behind it. I got my social science degree. Chef Raji kept on beating in my head, Keith, you need to get your associate degree. The chefs and the instructors have been around the world. I decided, she's right. Instead of just having your culinary arts management, we'll just put you in the kitchen. But your associate degree opened the doors wide open for you to go anywhere that they serve food. Laney has everything to make you a successful person. It's a beautiful school with beautiful people. Everybody cares about each other. It's like a family atmosphere. People are willing to try to help each other. Laney has been a college institution with our family for a while. My sister got 2 AAs from here. My other sister graduated. I came here, I didn't expect what I did here at Laney. I thought I was just gonna come to Culinary Art School and move on, but my eyes got opened up to education and helping my fellow students. Just thank you to everybody for being so supportive. I want to own my own restaurant called Big Papa Louisiana Fried Chicken. Park on the side of the streets and sell my food like that to people.
Like your future at the Peralta Colleges.